Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Fedora 44 in VirtualBox. So step by step guide is here. So first the step is to download the software. So for this one in Google search box, type there Fedora. Then go on this Fedora project org site. So click this. Then here you can see get Fedora. So workstation this. So let's click on this workstation. Then after click on this download now. There you can get this. So Intel AMD system ISO file is there. This is here. So this is going to download there. Let's click on this download. So here you can see the file is downloading. The total size is now 2.655 GB. So this will take some time to complete this download. Fedora Workstation ISO file that's downloaded. Let's click on close. Thereafter opening the Oracle VirtualBox. So let's click on this new here, giving the name Fedora 44. Thereafter here, let's click on this virtual hardware. This selecting, this selecting. Thereafter here, let's give their size. That's fine. Click on finish. Thereafter here, setting features. This bidirectional, system, processor, that's fine. Display, that's fine. Storage. So here, if I minimize this one here, you can see this is the file. Fedora Workstation inside the download section. So that here, or this you need to click on this empty, then click on CD. Here, choose disk. This under download section, Fedora Workstation, you need to select. Open. Then no need to change anything. That's fine. Thereafter, simply this selected, Fedora selected. Let's click on this start. So this is now powering PM, and this here starting virtual. Okay. So you can see or test this media start Fedora Workstation. This selected, press enter. And now wait for a few seconds. Times this is so checking. Okay, this all done. Now this checking. Now you can say this that's come there. Here, welcome to Fedora Linux. So this install Fedora Linux. This you need to click. So click on this install Fedora Linux. Again, this clicking, and let's make the big size. So virtual guest additional update. Now this initializing. So here initializing, there you can select your language. So let's write there English. So here this option all available. Let's select English United States. Click on this next, or use entire total disk. You can see this one, use entire, that's fine. Click on next, encrypt, on checking this option. Click on next. Here you can see storage, SDA, this all. Let's click on this erase data and install. So this here step processing in progress. Then this will install there. Software installation, system configuration, finalizing, painting. So this will do. So this step that's done here is now software installation is going on. This you can see total percentage. Fedora Linux 44 installation that successfully installed. Let's click on this exit to live desktop. Thereafter, what you need to do? So let's here do the power off. So this you need to do the power off. Thereafter, here you need to go this Fedora or right click setting, then go on this storage. So this is there Fedora. So this you need to remove from the attachment. Remove. Now, thereafter this Fedora that's selected again, or click on this and start. So here you need to start. So thereafter you can start using Fedora inside the VirtualBox. So this is now opening Fedora. Let's close this tools. So Fedora is now opening. So thereafter you need to set their username and the password. So here, after restarting, welcome to Fedora. Let's click on this Start Setup. That's fine. Or city, you can select any of this. Let's click on Next. Next, here you can give your full name. Let's give the item. Then after click on Next. Here you need to set the password. Confirm. Let's click on Next. Let's start using Fedora. So here now you can start using this Fedora. Okay. This is storage there. Let's click on this escape. This all that's gone there. So let's do simple installation of software. So there I'm going to install this JDK or JDK 26. So server is not found. So here wired. Okay, let's connect this connected. Okay, so this is disconnected there. So, but this is how we can do the installation of this Fedora inside your Oracle VirtualBox. Then you can start using them. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.